Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. If your Windows PC keep crashing with a blue screen that says critical process diet, you're not alone. This error usually throws your system into a restart loop and Windows won't even load properly. In this video, I'll show you the most effective fixes, starting with the safest option and working our way up to the last resort. The same fixes that worked for most people. So let's get started. Now, before we move into deeper fixes, let's try a quick power flush. This won't fix corrupted Windows files, but it can fix hardware or power state glitches that trigger blue screens. Here's how to do it. Shut down your PC completely. Unplug all cables, power, mouse, keyboard, USB, Ethernet. Hold the power button for 20 to 25 seconds. And then reconnect everything and turn the PC back on. If a USB device was causing the issue, this can immediately fix it. If Windows won't boot normally, we need safe mode. Here's how to force it. Turn your PC off, then turn it back on, and as soon as Windows start loading, hold the power button to shut it down. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. And then you'll see the Windows recovery. Once there, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, and click on Restart. And then press 4 for safe mode or 5 for safe mode with networking. Now that you're in safe mode, let's clean up temporary files. Open the Windows search and let's type disk cleanup and open it. Select your C drive and let's check temporary files, recycle bin, and Windows Update cleanup if available. Click OK, then delete all the files. Next, let's open the command prompt as administrator and let's type this command: sfc space / scan now and press enter. Once it's complete, let's type the second command: DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and press enter. So the SFC fixes corrupted system files and the DISM repairs Windows image itself, which is critical for this error. Once done, let's check your hard drive or SSD for errors. Type CHKDSK space C : space / F space / R and press enter. Press Y, then restart your PC. This scan will take time, so just be patient. If this error started right after a Windows update, this step is critical. Let's go back to the Windows recovery. From the blue screen, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Uninstall Updates. You'll see 2 choices: Uninstall Latest Quality Update and Uninstall Latest Feature Update. Let's start with the Quality Update first. These monthly updates are the #1 cause of automatic repair loop. If it doesn't fix it, Come back and try the feature update. Now this does not delete your files, it only removes recent Windows update. Once done, restart and check if Windows boots normally. If you created a restore point before this happened, go to the advanced options, select System Restore, and choose a restore point from before the loop started if you have one available. This rolls Windows back without reinstalling anything. If none of the previous fixes worked, the next option is to reset your PC. From the blue recovery screen, click Troubleshoot and select Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files. This will reinstall Windows, but keep your personal files like documents and pictures. However, all your apps and settings will be deleted. Now, if Windows still won't boot or the reset option fails, you need to use a Windows bootable USB. On another working PC, create a Windows installation USB, boot your PC from the USB, then click on Repair your computer, not Install. This gives you access to the same recovery tools like the Startup Repair, Command Prompt, and Uninstall updates, but from a clean external environment. I've left a link in the descriptions below to my video showing you exactly how to create and use a Windows bootable USB step by step. If this video helped you fix your PC, hit like, subscribe to TechWise, and comment which step worked for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.